What if success isn't really the feeling you are chasing? I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes looking over the valley, trying to decide what I want to say today. Now, sometimes days you just feel hollow, not in a bad way. And I started to think about this feeling I only had once in my life for about 5 minutes. I started to cry, but it felt amazing. It was a feeling of complete freedom, as if the whole world just fell off my shoulders. No expectation at all. I didn't have to achieve anything, I didn't have to get anywhere. And fuck, bro, if you have ever felt that even once, you would know the difference between having freedom around you and being free inside. I know that's what's driving me.